Hi there. Today we're gonna create our own digital portfolio. In order to create it, let's gonna follow these steps. First, open a new tab and then go to Google Drive. You can go even faster. You just click on this Google Apps icon and then click on Drive. Now go to New, icon New. I need to create one of the typical Google Drive document. So I just click on More. You're gonna have different options here. So now finally click on Google Sites. Alright. Now you're gonna have a website that is automatically created for you. You just need to personalize it. First, I'm just gonna put the title. It's going to be my portfolio. Alright. So you can put your name right here, or you can put my portfolio. Something like that, right? You can personalize it, select it, and then change the type of the font, all that stuff. And then as soon as you got it, let's gonna start with the cool things. For example, so you just need to drag and drop or click on one of these layouts, and then you're gonna be able to insert all the elements that you previously created in Google Classroom. For example, click here, click on From Drive, and you're gonna have a folder that is called Classroom. You're gonna have all the different periods that you have in Google Classroom. So for example, you're gonna have something like this, all these elements. Imagine that you previously created this code or you did this practice right here. You just need to click on Insert, and you're gonna be able to add that practice to your portfolio. Okay, this is pretty cool because it's going to let you to check it for everybody. Okay. So everybody is going to have access to your elements. Now you just need to make it bigger if you want. Alright. And now you just need to change the text. This is a presentation that I made about blah blah blah. Alright. Okay. So you can even add different layouts for different projects that you created. And then for example, imagine that in this one right here, so you just need to put an image or something. Just click here. Just put select image. You can select it from Google Classroom as well. Or, for example, you can select it from Google Drive, or even you can look it up in internet. Right? So just click on select, and you're gonna be able to edit your image as well. Click on crop. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can even zoom in on the image. You see? And you just put whatever you like. Alright? Make sure you put a description for each of these projects. So this is for the main one, right? I have my portfolio and I want to create one page per subject. So now go to pages and now click on add, and for example create one for math, new page, create a different one for let's say English. Now create a different one for Spanish. Okay. And then on each one you're going to add all the different projects that you created in that subject. So then you can change the image. You have a lot of different images that you can select, or you can upload your own. Okay. And finally, make sure you click on insert, and then just put the elements that you want. First, create the layout, and then insert the elements that you have from this subject that is Spanish. then click here, click on From Drive, and then imagine that I have one presentation from Spanish. So then you just go to your period. It's not my case. I have algebra here. So I can put, for example, this element. And then this is going to be accessible for everybody, okay? And now, as soon as you got it, click on close and put the description. Alright? And then finally, as soon as you got all this stuff, you can change the themes of all your pages. So for example, you wanna change a different style of letters, you can change the font, you can even you can change the colors. It's pretty cool, right? You see. Finally, when you got everything ready, click on Publish. It's all the way to the top. Select the address of your website. This one is going to be my portfolio. Wait a minute, it's already taken. So I'm gonna need to change the address. This one should work. This one right here is the address of the whole website. Click on Publish. Now click on View, and you will be able to see your website. We created some material on the home page, as you can see. If you click on the Spanish one, it changes completely, and then you will see the material that you have in the Spanish part. Okay, it's pretty cool, right? All right, now is your turn, Joe buddy. Make sure that you do your Google site, and then let me know you have some questions. Okay, all right, go ahead, all yours.